We have the potential to not only connect intimately to each other, but connect to our ancestors through this particular story. It's one of the few kiʻi in any Hawaiian moʻolelo or story that has a club in its hand. It has a pewa spine on the back, and pewa in woodwork and also in kapa are important to understanding and building and fixing relationships. Right after the overthrow, the whole ruling chiefs of Hawai'i is republished, and that's done intentionally so that we look to those stories to liberating each other and having a revolution of consciousness, as George Helm would say. Being really intimate with those materials makes it easier to understand the game. I would situate my own art and my project within an indigenous futurism, but also the potentiality to use stories for people all around the world. And finding a specific connection to a specific story can help us liberate each other to be in nationhood with each other.